What is up, bass fishing freaks? Luke Reeser here from Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. Owen and I are out here on the river again, and this might be my last day to try to get some big ones for the Angler X Games online tournament. We're whittling down. I think today is August 25th, and I have plans all weekend where I'm not going to be on the river and I'm not going to be fishing. So I think today is it. It is Tuesday. Tomorrow I have to work. Luckily enough for me, it's the only day this week I have to work. But anyways, there's a possible, slim chance, possible chance that I might get out Thursday morning, but I don't know for sure because Thursday Owen is fishing his first tournament on his own. It's a Dubuque Bass Club junior tournament, and he is fishing it by himself with me running the motors. You know, we're using our boat, but it's all Owen, and then he's got a partner. If you remember Miles from a couple videos ago, the one that won my guided fishing trip, Miles is actually fishing it, and he is a co-angler, or however you want to say it. He's fishing out of the back of the boat, and we're going to try to catch some donks for these kids. But yeah, this might be my last shot. I am at 82 inches, tied in second, and I just got to get a couple more big ones. I think my smallest fish right now is 16 inches, so I got two 16 inchers, and I got to get them called out. Got to get some big ones. So we're gonna hopefully throw some jerk baits, chatterbaits, do a little flipping, maybe bring that big old Mondo football jig out again. We're gonna fish some deep water stuff, and then we're gonna go fish some shallow weeds and see if we can find them. So stay tuned, folks. Schlonch hunting starts right about now. There's one.
Got him. Let's go, boy.
Feels like, no, chatterbait. Don't feel too bad.
Big one?
That ain't bad.
Yeah.
It's a keeper.
You're in the lead. Want to get the scale out? Not the scale, but measure anything out?
Yeah, we'll get them both out. Not a bad one. Probably a 15 incher, chunky, feeding up good. 14, 15 incher. You get that out, and then get the scale out for me. I don't think he's gonna go good enough, but get the scale out in there.
Let me see.
I need a 16 1/4.
Oh.
He ain't even 14 3/4. I'm gonna guess 188.
198.
Ooh, I was,
What was it?
187.
You were
And I guessed 180. Nope, 190.
190. I was the closest.
Hold on. 187.
Oh, you were so close.
There we go.
Now we need to.
Cha-cha-cha chatterbait. It's been a good player for me.
Yeah.
Bee height delight with a manatee grub. There's one. Yep. Little guy. He ain't gonna go 14. But he hammered it. He was in between the cheese. Looks like it. Yeah. It's a good one. Get him in. Right on the floor. Flip him on the floor. Good job. What were you doing? Flipping? The D-bomb. Or wait, he's bigger than that last one I caught.
15. How did you think he is?
Boom. I'm gonna say he's 2 pounds. I'm gonna say he's 209. What are you gonna? Okay. And I said 209. Looks like he's 207. 209.
You got it right.
Yep. I've been pretty spot on today. There you go, Owen with the D-bomb. 209. Flipping pads. There he is. Oh, good one.
Good one?
Yeah.
Net?
No, I don't think so. He's running at me. Oh, yeah. Net. Oh, net. That's a hog. Oh, 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 oh. That's a 4-pounder.
In your face, second place.
You freaking betcha. I better.
I'm guessing he's 418. He's 418. He's 418. Guaranteed to score.
He ain't even quite 4.
He's not.
385. Oh yeah, 18 3/4.
What is it?
18 3/4.
That's a lot.
There we go, folks. 3.85 pounds. That's the biggest bass I've caught in quite a while. That's a stud right there. I really thought it was gonna go 4, but pretty close. 18 3/4 inches long. Should solidify my second place for a while, anyways, in the Angler X Games. See you later, Mama. Look at that big girl going back down. Woo! If you catch her again, we can submit her again, but you ain't gonna catch her again for a few days. Oh. Second place, Lucas Reeser, 84.75.
Got 82.
I gotta get up to 87 1/4. Are there more out there?
Got him?
Yeah.
Big one?
I don't think so, but it's a fish. I don't think that's the one that was eaten. I think there's a school of them there. That one that was jumping was bigger. There's no way that's the fish that was coming up to the surface. I got an idea. Take this frog off. And I'm going to tie on a spook. Spook. All right, they're really chasing shad around right in here. This big pocket, this in between these points here. They're not really staying still very long. So we're hitting some with the chatterbait. We've got four here maybe. I'm gonna try this spook, maybe try to get their attention a little more. This is a really good spook too. This is a Berkeley. I remember what they call it. Walker? J Walker 120. When you can cast it without getting a backlash, it's good. Probably not fishing it on the ideal tackle. I'm fishing on my frog rod, 736, but everything else on my deck has fluorocarbon on it. I think one of my Fury 734s 15 or 20 pound mono would probably be about perfect, but gotta do what you gotta do sometimes.
Oh, yesterday?
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
That one?
Yep, on the frog.
Oh.
Can't get them out of the weeds, Oli. Oh, that's a good one.
10-pounder?
No, probably two and a half.
Good at him.
My God, they are eating frog a little bit. That's the first fish I've caught on a frog in a while. I haven't really fished a frog that much because I haven't been catching much on them. 222.
We might have to go for a ride.
218. That gives us 4 fish for 10 pounds even.
So how thin do you think he is?
Huh? He's 15 inches. There we go. First frog fish for me in a while. Oh yes, good one. Yes.
Get up.
174. It's our smallest, but I don't care. That gives us 1174.
Better than last time.
1175.